Hey everyone, it's Raymark with Liberty AutoWorks, and I'm excited to show you guys the final result of the Audi RS5 Stealth project. Come take a look. When you look at the vehicle as a whole, it looks like a matte factory paint job. So if you come closer, when we look at the front bumper, Ron did a fantastic job on doing this as a custom one piece so that we minimize the seams as well as maximize the coverage of the Nardo Grey paint underneath. There are a lot of things that we did custom to this vehicle. The overall goal was to make sure that this looks like a factory paint job. A couple of the key things that we did to make this look like a matte factory paint job was to remove the door handles as well as some of the trim so that it doesn't show any of the Nardo Grey gloss underneath. Some of the other key things that we did was we removed this gas cap and also wrapped the edge into the gas door. Now coming to the back end of the Audi RS5, this was where a lot of the customization went. So we had to remove the factory spoiler and the badges. The reason why we did that was so that we could do this trunk lid in one big piece, whereas most of the kits that installers will use will come in two pieces, where you have the top as well as the face. And we didn't want that because there's going to be a seam here where it can collect dust and dirt. So we did that in one piece. We did remove the taillights, again, to make sure that we wrapped into these edges to make sure that there's no Nardo Grey showing that's gloss. And we did one big bulk piece on this rear bumper, and we even customized circles to cover these sensors here. Another cool thing that we did for this Audi RS5 project was use Expel Ultimate Plus Black on the roof and as well as this third brake light area. So it converts it not only to the black color, but also protects it from rock chips and scratches because it is still an Expel Ultimate Plus product. So it is going to self-heal. So for this vehicle, we tinted the vehicle all the way around with Expel XR Black, which is the ceramic tint, and it has higher heat rejection, and that's why we use it for this vehicle. So for this Audi RS5 project, there are a lot of areas on the interior that you can choose to protect. For this one, we protected this gloss black console area just because being piano black, it is highly prone to getting scratches, especially even if there's dust on it, fingerprints and such. So we want to protect that. We use Expel Ultimate Plus 10 on there, as well as on the screen. And there's a lot of other areas that you can choose to protect, like all of this carbon areas. And the last thing that we did on the interior was fully ceramic coated it from all the leather, all the plastics, as well as the trim pieces and the carpet.